Here we have a 2015 registered 5-door Vauxhall Meriva Turbo SE with a 1.4-litre automatic transmission petrol engine. The car is finished in shiny rock. Key features include 1 private owner, air conditioning, panoramic roof, half Morocana trim, 17-inch alloys, CD player, electric windows and mirrors, privacy glass, front and rear park assist, cruise control, flex doors, ABS and tinted windows. This Vauxhall Meriva has been through our full and extensive service and preparation process to ensure it's in perfect condition. Reserve this car online today for 48 hours for an no obligation, fully refundable £100.